All right, welcome back to the channel. I've got a really cool product to show you that just launched today, so make sure to stick around for that. I've got a great demo for you. Now, if you decide that this product is right for you and your business and you want to pick it up, I've put together some exclusive bonuses that are just for you and just for this product launch. I make sure to make exclusive bonuses that are catered just to this product that will amplify the product and the results that you will get. I've been an affiliate marketer and making money online for the last 4 years full-time, and I've made over $500,000. And so when I put my bonuses together, I want that to add so much value to you. So if you do decide to pick this product up, make sure to click the link below, go and see what bonuses you will get with this product. Make that purchase and you'll get instant access immediately in your JV or Warrior Plus back office. You will get instant access to those bonuses. Now let's get started with this product demo.
Hi, Amy Harrop here, and today I'm super excited to share with you one of the hottest publishing niches right now, which is study guides. Study guides are incredibly popular and they are searched actively by millions of buyers each and every month. People are looking for study guides on academic topics like studying for the SATs. They are looking for study guides on certifications like vet tech. They are looking for study guides on things like hobbies such as Bible study. And that's just really the very tip of the iceberg. There are millions of people looking for many different topics and sub-niches that cover academic, vocational, and hobby study guides. And in fact, publishers are currently making thousands each month publishing these study guides with a wide variety of different topics and sub-niches. So what I have for you here is I've put together a way that you can quickly and easily publish study guides and study guide content with just a few clicks of your mouse. And this is the study guide content creator AI bot that I've put together. It's part of the course. And what it does is it will generate all of your study guide content for you. You simply give it a topic or a keyword. It will go ahead and put together an overview for you, and then you can have it put together the very specific sections as well, and then you can copy and paste into your guide. So let's say here, study guide for anyone wanting to pass the U.S. citizenship test. So we have our research and content structuring. We have some additional online resources that it's sharing with us. And you can see here it puts that all together in just moments. It's going to give us our proposed outline. So we have here what we're going to be covering in the actual study guide. And then it'll be fleshing out all of those subjects. So we have our content, our key resources, our examples, and so forth. And of course, it can flesh out any of that information as much as you want. And when we get here to the practice questions, you can actually have it give you a specific number if you'd prefer, or you can tell it to mimic the number that's available on the test. You can do the types of questions like multiple choice, true and false. You can do open-ended questions, things along those lines. So it's giving us custom adjustments here. And you can just say proceed if you want to go to the next thing. So what's great about this is it will give you all of the information you need for your study guide quickly and easily so you can copy and paste it, but you can also extend certain parts if you want. Like, for example, if you want to go ahead and have specific types of questions or specific things, you can go ahead and do that. So it really makes creating and generating a full-featured study guide that buyers will love quickly and easily in just moments, faster and easier than ever.
The AI Study Guide Publishing Bonanza Review and Bonus is designed to help individuals leverage artificial intelligence in their study guide creation process. It provides a comprehensive resource for understanding how to publish high-quality study guides efficiently. The course includes step-by-step instructions, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced publishers. Participants gain insights into using AI tools to streamline content creation and enhance learning outcomes. The program also offers bonuses that further enrich the learning experience, including templates and additional resources. Emphasizing practical applications, the study guide aims to empower users to maximize their productivity. With a focus on quality and effectiveness, this product caters to educators, students, and self-learning enthusiasts alike. Overall, it presents a valuable opportunity for anyone looking to advance their publishing skills through innovative AI techniques.
All right, I hope you enjoyed that product demo. Now, if you liked what you saw and you want to pick that product up, remember I have exclusive bonuses, and this is coming from somebody that's made $500,000 in affiliate marketing online. You're going to get my experience and custom bonuses that I put into these. These are not going to be just handed out bonuses. These are going to usually be video trainings and courses that I've put together based on my own experience. You're going to get all that for free just by picking up the product with my link. So remember, first link below, you go click on that and you make a purchase, you get instant access to my exclusive bonuses. Remember, if you want more training and more product and software reviews in the affiliate marketing space, then make sure to like and subscribe to this channel because I'll be producing content on a daily basis. Thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.